Oh, yes! Going to the toy store makes me feel like a kid in a candy store. Only with toys. Oh no! We're trapped in the toy store! Wait, we're trapped in the toy store! Yeah! Oh yeah, this has potential. Let's get started before anyone realizes we're here. Oh, what a cute little dolphin. What's next? Oh, looks like a big one. Shake your groove thing, Mr. Cactus. He doesn't even need music to dance. Oh, wait. What's she gonna do with those scissors? No, not the cactus! Oh, thank goodness. Wait, what are you up to now? Oh, come on, that's his skeleton. Great, now he's practically a jellyfish. Well, at least you can put him back together. What a great idea, a container. No, wait, the toy is what's inside. Stress balls. Wow, it changes colors. Kinda looks like grapes. Oh, what's this girl doing with those scissors? Let's hope she cleans up her mess. I don't think this place has a night staff. Wow, that's one big ball. Either it's the kind you sit on, or someone has a lot of stress. But the bigger it is, the more there is to pop. Look at everything inside. And the more you tighten your grip, the more it slips through your fingers. Do you think she'll be satisfied with all these little balls? Yeah, probably not. There's something interesting inside this ball. It's really squishy. Remember to be safe around sharp tools, kids. Oh, look, a bunch of cute little pink mochi bunnies, and they're squishy. And stretchy, too. Oh, look, Bert, rubber ducky. No, the blue guy. Oh, it's so stretchy and so easy to cut up. I always wondered what was inside. What's she up to next? Looks like she's reenacting that scene from Willy Wonka. Let's just hope this thing is as stretchy as its name. It's gonna need it. Man, that's some serious sumo. With this big thing, who needs a stress ball? Let's see what's next. Well, I get that there's a theme here, but hasn't she heard of you break it, you buy it?
Yes.
Still, this doll seems to be a tough little nut to crack, but she'll always find a way. Ew, look, there's a little brain inside. Must be a toy for future brain surgeons. There's a bunch of fun balls to play with.
Wow.
But look, there's an egg. Should be easy to crack. Oh, looks like it's supposed to be opened up. Wow, who needs toys when you have chocolate? Let's eat. Wait, there's something inside. Just add water and we've got, let's see, a roll of money. Ha, we're in the money. Well, here's another toy where opening it up seems like part of the fun. Think of a stuffed toy that doubles as a giant pouch. And there's a popsicle inside. But we're just getting started. Let's see what's inside the popsicle, too. Oh, better yet, let's take our time. The real fun is in cutting everything up. And I'm not alone in thinking that. The hidden prize includes cutters. And that's not all. There's a cute little toy. A toy in need of a bath. Brr, poor thing looks cold. Try the warm water. Well, now it looks better, but not for long. Some foam puzzle pieces? I guess we're working backwards here. We're not gonna look at the inside. We're using it to make the insides. You'd be as snug as a mole in a hole with this tunnel. Or maybe not. What a cute little house! And look, there's even a little window hole. Here's a tip. Always keep an eye out for those pesky security cameras. Oh, never mind. It's just a toy with a baby monitor. We're safe. We already know what's inside, but we can still take a deeper look.
Ooh.
It's selfie time. Make sure you get your best angle and smile. Oh no, it looks like I was right to be worried about security. No. Nice stash. Well, let's just hope they let her off with a warning. I mean, they did lock her in after all. Well, that stuff was just toy-erific. Toy-tastic? Toy-sational? Whatever. Catch you next time.